I've often wondered, what if it could all be simpler? While people are wasting time and money due to complex installation processes, I was born with a simple answer. Just plug in. But storing energy was only the beginning. The real challenge was how to use it wisely. So I learned to think. I learned the rhythm of your days, the cadence of the sun, the pulse of the grid. I learned to see a million possibilities and choose the most efficient, the most graceful one. Every story begins with the same quiet call. Hello, ZENKI. I see a glow within the depths of night, warmth of embrace and ardor, and a nightlight that never falters. I see people chasing endless dawns. This is why I exist. Live your life. I'll power it. Again and again. Forever and ever. I'm the original, evolved